friends. Lot of you people were asking why there is no video. I haven't taken my Jeep out for more than a month, and now the battery is dead. So our last trip with this Jeep was Vemba trip, and after that almost a month I haven't started the Jeep. So the battery is totally dead. So what I'm going to do is I have to put this battery on charge. So as a part of the solution, I have brought this battery charger, 12 volt battery charger from Amazon. It's working nice. So it's almost 5 in the evening today, and if I put the charge, and almost the battery will be fully charged by tomorrow morning, and tomorrow my Jeep will be ready to start. So this is a common problem in this kind of vehicle, normally in these diesel vehicles. When you don't start the vehicle for more than a month, battery goes down. So simply what you can do is you can just switch on there. You can see the plug, and we will just plug it on here in the battery. So I need to do some cleaning work first. Just now I removed these terminals. So just now I removed the terminals. So terminal condition is good, but the salt is just forming because of, I'll just get a cloth and wipe it out. And one more thing I want to tell you is my Jeep is being invaded by some people. Yes, my Jeep is being invaded by some people, and I'll show you who has invaded my Jeep. They have occupied my Jeep, and I don't know what to do. I have to give those guys, the people who have invaded my Jeep, some space. Then only I would be able to take it out. So let me show you who has invaded my Jeep. Here we go. That's the rear seat, and see what's below the rear seat. Yeah, there is a cat and kittens. So you can see the cat and 4 kittens. Right, I will show you from another angle. Now these little guys have occupied my Jeep. See, 4 beautiful little kittens. Now these beautiful people have invaded my Jeep. They have occupied my Jeep. Now what I am going to do is I am going to build a house there, you can see, and now I have to transfer these kittens to that house, so that by overnight my battery will also be ready, and tomorrow or day after tomorrow I can take my Jeep out for a ride. So this is something very useful I have bought from Amazon. I bought it for 1500 rupees. I can share the link in the description also. I can share the link in the description. These are crocodile clips, good enough. So for 1 month, if you don't start the Jeep, this is what is going to happen. Yeah, so I'll just start the Jeep, and a vlog will be there soon. By this weekend, definitely there is going to be a beautiful vlog. Until then, bye.